In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add anchor links in WordPress. Anchor links are often used in the Table of Contents section because they help users move up and down a lengthier article without reloading the entire page. You can easily add them. In your dashboard, navigate to the post you want to add anchor links to. I'll edit this post. Now, I want to create a link in this heading, and when someone clicks on it, they get redirected to this part of the post. So, to do that, select the heading like this. Then click here on Insert Link. Then type #anchor-link or whatever you want to name this link. Then click on Apply. Now click here to edit the link, and copy the link like this. Now we want to redirect it to this part. So, change the editor from visual to text. This is the heading. And just add the link ID here like this in the heading. And that's it. Click on Update. Now let's view the post. And when I click on the link we created, I'm redirected to this part of the post which we linked. This is how you can add anchor links in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.